What's up, YouTube? Back with another video here. Today I'm talking about socialpilot. I did review videos about socialpilot like last year, a couple years ago, and this is like an update of socialpilot and what's going on with it. Now, as you can see, that I have no queue, nothing here. Lately, I've been publishing my YouTube videos by hand with when you create a YouTube video, you can share it, and I've been sharing it to like 4 different places social media wise and customizing it. I've been customizing it by social media platform, but now I'm getting kind of tired of that, and I always have socialpilot, and I used it in the past. It's pretty well. It's pretty good. I need to get back into using it. That's why I'm making this video, because next time you see me with another review, all this will be filled up in a graph below. But I'm going to, and while I was using socialpilot, it was so much easier. Instead of doing it one at a time, I could send all of my blog posts, videos, all in one shot. And I'm still grandfathered in on the free plan. I think now it's not free no more. I think it's like $5 or $10 a month, but it's still worth it though, because you can manage all your social media on one place and send all your blog content, YouTube content, article content, and distribute all of them to all the social media accounts one time. So socialpilot is a really good resource. No, I have not been using it as of lately, but I will start using it. And the next time I do another video, I'll show you more detailed analysis per se. But I used it in the past. It does work. So it saves you time. Lately I've been making so much content, and I haven't had a chance to publicize or share my content on all social media places. And I haven't really utilized this tool, but sometimes the tool you don't use, sometimes you get new tools, and then sometimes you gotta go back to the old tool because it works so well. So I'm going back to this tool. This tool works. I have 3 of them all connected. It works like a charm, and I want to get back into this. So thank you for look at my review of socialpilot. See accounts here. I think I'll add 3 accounts at a time, I believe. Groups, and I can only have 1 account at a time, which is okay, but still I want more. I might take Twitter or I'll put it somewhere else, but for Twitter it's so easy. Twitter, it takes about a second to upload something. Yeah, this is my review of socialpilot. Yes, it works. Yes, I'm gonna get back into using it because I can just hit 1 button and it's gonna share to all my social media and get more traffic. The reach for socialpilot is for traffic, and you can also manage other people's social media accounts as well and get hired as a consultant. That's another thing you do with it's called team and client. You get clients under you, and you can manage their social media accounts as well and make a lot of money. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Real quick, in-depth video. If you want an updated version of socialpilot, yes, it works. Okay, it will do its job. It will post on whatever you put in the system. To post on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever. It will post that for you automatically. Okay, so the tool does work. So this is my review of socialpilot, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Oh, also, if you want to join socialpilot, the links below the video, click on it and go ahead and get it. It's worth the money. Thank you for watching.